So today's video, we're doing a hair tutorial. I haven't done a hair tutorial in such a long time. Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time watching me, hey, how are you doing? My name is Afi, and on this channel we love helping women develop a style that promotes their social and public image without breaking the bank. So if you love those type of content that helps you shop while on a budget, hopefully this channel is for you. And we also do hair tutorials on my channel, so if you are looking for a style for a wedding, for yourself, just in general, hopefully this channel is also for you, and I hope you subscribe by the end of this video. And if you are a retained subscriber, sis, you already know I didn't forget about you. How you doing? How are you doing? How are you doing? If you can see, your sis got her hair did. And if you've been watching me for a while, you know ponytails are like my signature look. And yeah, today I'm going to show you an updated version of that, the products that I've been using now that has been amazing. Okay, they've been lasting. My ponytail has been lasting for a good week and a half, and because of these products, no sweating them out, baby. I can work out and my hair still look good. We ain't sweating nothing now while we working out. Okay. I will also leave the link of everything that I used in this video down below in my description box. So definitely check out the description box. And if you send me a comment saying, sis, what was that you used? That means you didn't watch me all the way. Don't disrespect me like that. I don't like that. Go ahead and check the description box for all the products that I've used in this video. With that being said, let's hop right into this video. What? Wow, that was too much. Let's hop right into the video, shall we?
All right, so first thing first, y'all, my hair has, it's so beautiful. Sadly, I lost some edges because I had braids, and sis is a little bit bald in the front, but it's okay, we're gonna grow it back. So I blew it out. Had a hair dryer, you know, did the thing with the hair dryer, blew it out. I know you see that bald spot right there. I can see it, but let's not talk about it. I'm gonna start off with the Got To Be glue, the yellow bottle, the yellow tube. Yeah, so I'm gonna start off with that, and I'm just gonna apply it all over my hair. I decided to do my ponytail with blowed out hair because I just find it to be a lot easier when your hair is stretched out. You don't have to blow your hair out, but for me, I think this hairstyle works a lot better. Your ponytail lasts a lot longer, in my opinion, when you blow it out. So yeah, low heat, high heat, cool, it all depends on you. So this one right here is the key to what makes my ponytail last longer than a week, okay? This glue right here, it starts off a little bit messy. It reminds me of the Gorilla Snot Gel. That sound like sticky and like weird feeling, you know, itty. But anyways, yeah, so I apply that. On top of that, I go in with my Wonder Lace Bond adhesive spray, and this one right here is another key to what keeps my hair, like, this is like the final touch of everything. So on top of the Got To Be gel, and then you apply that right there, the gel, the Wonder Bond gel, and then you add the spray. Bomb. Your hair will last you at least a week and a half if you know how to, you know, sleep with your hair wrap, if you know how to, you know, wrap your hair before you go in the shower, all that, you know, important stuff. Your ponytail will last you a good week and a half. And I work out, so it works wonders. So for my hair, I'm going to be using the Afro Twist by Lulu Triss. This is from Sensational Hair. Yeah, Sensational Hair. And yeah, I've been using Lulu Triss since, you know, they first came out. I remember they were $2.99, and now demand is high. So now they cost a good $4.99, sometimes $6.99. So yeah, hopefully they don't go up a price, but I love this hair. It's amazing. The brand is great. Everything about this brand is amazing. So yeah, so what I'm doing right here is I'm trying to get the rubber band, tie it in so I can just add it on my bun. And this part right here, I wanted you guys to see the mistake that I did before I finished the hairstyle. So I braided my hair that I blew out at the beginning, my actual hair, before I applied the hair, which is why you see that little bun on top of there. Big mistake. And I'm going to show you why as I'm showing you why. So I was going to do this thing where like I normally do with like every other hair ponytail that I do, which is I grab the rest of the hair, I twist it around, and then like I throw the ponytail over the bun. But I realized that when I did that, you could still see that middle piece that I'm showing you right there. You could still see my actual hair in a bun. So I was like, you know what? Let me just go ahead and get another pack out. If you don't know, I use 3 packs of hair. Yeah, 3 packs of hair. 1 pack had 3 packs of hair inside. So yeah. So I'm thinking, you know what? It might work if I do it like this. And sis was wrong. It didn't work. So I decided to take it out. And I started over. So this is why I'm saying don't braid your hair once you put in a ponytail. Leave it out, because in my next ponytail tutorial, I'm going to show you why you should definitely blow your hair out. We're going to talk about it in my next one, but this one is just me showing you the importance of letting your hair out. It can easily be blended. You can do this with your natural hair. You don't have to blow it out. I think if I didn't blow it out, I would have probably had an easier access with my natural hair to just blend everything in. But blowing it out for me also, I don't know, it just made my ponytail a lot easier to work with. So yeah, I added more ponytail on top. And then once I did that, to secure my ponytail, this is how my ponytail stays secure and it doesn't move. I mixed my hair right here. I decided to slow this down and not speed it up. I grabbed my natural hair with the extension hair, and I started to twist it around the ponytail. Does that make sense? So my natural hair and the ponytail are attached as I'm twisting it around. Make it make sense. And that's how I'm able to secure the hair. So like when the wind blows, ain't nothing blowing with it. Or if you pull my hair, you ain't gonna pull it out, you know? So yeah, I just take my natural hair and I blend it with the extension hair, and we wrap it around like you would wrap, extension, regular, what I'm saying? You wrap it around. So yeah, that's what I did. And you can add bobby pin just to secure your ponytail even more. But I'm very sensitive and my head hurts whenever I apply bobby pins. So I just wrap it around tight. Not too tight, but tight enough for it to, stay in place. And while I'm talking to you right now, the ponytail is still secure. I've shook my head, danced to some songs, shook my head back and forth, whipped my head back and forth, and it's still good. We are still good. Yes, ma'am. Come on, somebody. So, yeah. Once you're done, you just, stretch it out just to even it out. I felt like, part of it needed to be cut. And, I just, trimmed it a little bit, pulled out the leave outs, and made sure everything was even. And I love the Lulu Tris because A, it's affordable, and B, the texture of the hair is amazing, and C, it looks just like my hair. So for my edge control, I'm going to be using my Edge Booster. I love Edge Booster. I find it to be very well for natural hair, very well for relaxed hair. If you're looking for edge control to last you the whole entire day, even with this humidity out here, Edge Booster is the one. I've tried so many edge controls in the past, and nothing beats Edge Booster, unless you're using Got To Be Gel. But yeah, I love Edge Booster. Right now, I am slaying down baldness. Ain't nothing there. I do not have any edges. I'm laying down skin. We just laying down skin at this point. But yeah, baby hair, skin, adult hair, Edge Booster is the one for you. So yeah, this is the hair. It was cute. I liked it. I just love it. I think it's really cute. And one thing about this hair that I am gonna say is you don't need a lot of packs. It depends on how thick you want the hair to look for you. But me personally, one pack came with three packs of hair inside, if that makes sense. Yeah, one packs of hair was with three different. Make it make sense. You know what I'm saying? You get what I'm saying. One pack of hair had one pack inside of it. But yeah, this is how it turned out. I absolutely love this hairstyle. I love ponytail hairstyles, and I find it to be really suitable for my face whenever I do hairstyles like this. You can add a little headband, you know what I'm saying, add a little dazzle on it. This is from Walmart. Affordable on a budget. Or you can go up a little scale and go to Marshall and grab you one. Feel a little bougie, shake your head back and forth, and it's not gonna move. You feel me? Attached. Period. I look so cute. This is giving me rich auntie vibes because I am one. Amen. Oh, speak it to existences. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.